My goal, sub 8 single right here. Actually, sub 7.65 Lucas Setter. Talk to me, bro. There's this one fast kid. Okay. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. But lockups don't count. Yo guys up here. My goal's sub 5.55, okay?
He's got this. Alright, ready?
If it happens, then everyone will call it fake. Okay, let's go.
Oliver? 17.
Oh, this looks good enough to be world record.
8 seconds.
Ready?
What? Nice. Why the R perm? Why the R perm?
Somebody likes this station.
Sub 4.41. Martin, tell us for I'm gonna beat you. You may have faked it, but
Alright, ready?
I'm gonna beat it for real. Alright, let's go.
James! Mike Carter.
Yeah. 4.41 minutes, I meant. Sub 441. Here we go. It's for you, Lucas. Sub 7. Yeah, ready.
I hope we don't face.
You should rig the system. Maru CX-3?
Yeah. Focus? Okay. Sub 8, right here. Actually, what if I say sub 40? Yeah, let's
Oh yeah, we just said next to you. I think I don't want the noise. I don't like that. Oh really?
That's like that average? No. Here. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to smash that like button. And please, oh please, answer the question of the video. What is your best official 3x3 average? Because this is mine. It's my best on cam average. So freaking close to sub 10, 10.04. If I didn't lock up on the U-perm at the beginning, and yeah, if I would have been top 100 if I got sub 10, and if I didn't lock up, I would have had it. If I didn't lock up, that's all it took. And yeah, what competition did you do that average? Yeah, other than that, I mean, it was a pretty good average. The end was just a blooper from round 1. That average, even if it was not a DNF, it would have been like 10.6, so it wouldn't have been that amazing, but still. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.